Sadistic little Giovanni.
Remember them? Of course, they are bound to be remembered so that you won't mess with them.
Curse that guy! His family is goddamn rich and forbiddenly powerful. As a leader, you must not conceal the truth. To be a leader, you have to wear a mask.
Niligtas ka ng taong ito sa paraang hindi niya dapat ginawa. Ang aking ngalan ay Maximus Brown, at ang magandang binibining iyon ay inaya ako sa isang pagtitipon, subalit ako'y nilisan ng walang paalam. Tangay-tangay ang malaking bahagi ng aking pagkatao.
Ikaw yung transfer, di ba? The baddest new girl. Ang dami kong naririnig tungkol sa'yo, Summer. Idol na nga kita eh.
Frenier, Montreal, Season, Lowe, West, for heaven's sake, you're 45 minutes late. Makikipagkasundo ako kay kamatayan para lang mailigtas ka.
You're not a kid, then you shouldn't be asking why you shouldn't know everything. Have you seen that? Well, I'm willing to give you that. Yes. 'Cause I didn't kiss him like you did, I don't push myself on him like you do, and I don't call him in the middle of the night begging to bring back the past like you do.
Kasama ka ba ng black government? Ha? Ikaw at ako, kailan may di na magtatagpo.
No one really lives a happy ending because life is a dark fairy tale. Damn me.